Joy! Hi everybody! Today I'm back with this super cool elephant.
It is cool.
And it has a seat for you to sit. And this little Chelsea set. She comes with this cute little doggy. She can eat from that bowls, and she can drink, and she can eat from that bone too, and that other bone too. And you can put that bone in her mouth because she has it open.
Okay, so
And
let's open them.
Yeah, and at the back you can collect this cool little Chelsea.
With
and
a popcorn machine.
Yeah, oh, I will look the puppy. It's in the basket. Okay, let's start opening the big
I can't
elephant.
wait to see that big purple
Woo!
elephant. So cool.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. Chelsea, are you comfortable there?
Yes.
The elephant is moving. It has wheels.
Yeah, it has wheels on there.
Very nice.
And look at these fancy bracelets. Can you take
Yeah.
them off?
Maybe, but leave it there. She wants to be pretty.
Yeah.
It's like a queen elephant. Look at that.
It looks like this can. It looks like this can move, but it actually doesn't.
Hey guys, how are you?
Ooh.
We're
Cool.
good, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at all the collection of bones that this
Yeah.
little doggy has.
Ooh, look. She has those coins. I think they're or food. She has some bone cupcakes to eat.
Oh,
And you
that's
can
switches.
Yeah, and you can
And
flip.
cookies.
Yeah, and then some dog cookies.
Very pretty.
Her dog is named Charlotte.
Oh, that's a nice name.
Charlotte is a good dog. So
I
let's
think Charlotte is afraid of the elephant.
yeah. It's okay. It's an elephant.
She's very friendly. You don't need to be scared. And maybe you can ride on it.
Yeah.
Chelsea, what do you think? Are you gonna let her ride too?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna take off her necklace so it doesn't fall off. Actually, it doesn't.
Leave it there so she can be pretty.
Okay.
Charlotte. Is that her name you said?
Charlotte, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go on. Ah, cool. Nice. Hold on tight. Whee!
Let's do a spin.
Whee! Slowly. She's scared.
Spinning and woo! And woo!
Now it's the other Chelsea's turn. She wants to go too.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's Charlotte on her skirt.
She's
Okay.
matchy.
Okay, let's put her on the elephant.
There. Whee!
Whee!
That's a nice ride.
Yeah,
I'm so tall now.
The elephant can go way back here and then it's like a rolling elephant car.
Yeah, it's like a ride.
Yeah.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Okay, it's time for food.
Yay! Who's hungry here?
All of them.
And the doggy and the elephant, right?
Yeah. So she's lucky. She doesn't have half the weight. She already has her food.
I think she can have a snack.
Yeah.
Bone.
Yeah.
Or
She can
something.
have this brown bone.
She likes that.
Does it come off?
Yeah.
How do you? Oh, there. Oh, look, and
Can
you
it
can.
go in her mouth?
Yeah, you can just. Okay, doggy, I got the bone for you.
There you go.
Here you go. Okay, now we just have to press it in the mouth. There. Woof, 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 woof.
She holds it in her mouth. Good. Have a snack
Yeah.
until everything else is ready. Let's
Okay.
get ready. What do you have for us? For
Yeah.
the elephant first.
Yeah,
What does she have?
The elephant has some cereal.
Yay! That's a nice snack
Okay,
for you, elephant.
there's actually cereal in here. Listen.
Is that Fruit Loops?
Yeah.
Very
Fruit
nice. Who doesn't like Fruit Loops?
Okay, let's put it in the bowl.
Yay!
Yay.
Lots of Fruit Loops.
Look at all these Fruit
Yummy, yum.
Okay, and last but not least, the spoon.
Okay, do you want to feed her?
Yeah, let's feed her. Let's get some. Oh, it's under.
I like it. Very good.
Yeah.
You are matching the cereal. Look at that. There's a purple one just like you.
Yeah, let's get some purple ones so she can eat. Purple, 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 purple.
I wonder what flavor that is. The
Purple is grape because grapes are purple.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here's some
Full
purples.
spoon for you. Purple cereal.
Yeah. Mmm.
That was delicious. Do you have anything else for me to eat?
Yes, we have some soup.
Soup. That sounds delicious. Ooh.
Okay.
Is that veggie soup?
Yeah, it has all kind of veggies like these. Ooh, we have noodles too.
I like that.
It's like chicken noodle soup, but it's not.
It's just veggie soup. Veggie
Yeah.
noodle soup.
Veggie noodle soup. Veggie noodle soup. Ooh,
Okay,
potato.
Stir.
Stir, 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 stir.
Yes.
There. It's all ready to go. So let's get the spoon. Now it's nice and
Keep
warm.
it for later.
Oh, it's okay. We can just block the hole. There. Okay, so now it's time for eating soupy. Push it in there to make it all wet. There. Time to eat it now. Yummy. Okay, it's eating all because it ate one. Yummy. Oh, the onion's purple like it.
Yeah.
Potatoes. Celery. We got some carrot. And last but not least, noodle.
Like noodles. Yummy, yum, yum.
Oh, it's still munching on it because it's big.
Very nice.
Okay.
All
now-
done. Now you have just a little bit of chicken broth.
Yeah. So let's get some chicken broth.
There.
Okay, more.
I'm full. Thank you very much for the soup.
Okay, let's spill it somewhere. Okay, your fancy fruit is served. Strawberries.
Yummy strawberries.
Oh, we can suck up its with its trunk and it can eat it with
So
that.
let them there and she can enjoy them.
Okay.
What about Chelsea's? Do they get anything to eat?
Guess they do.
Okay.
One of them has a cupcake, her,
She can eat that beautiful, yummy cupcake.
and one of them has a hamburger, all nicely,
That.
all nicely served in that cute
And
pack.
we can uncover it
Yeah.
so
Ta-da!
she can enjoy this hamburger.
Mhm.
Good.
Oh, and now,
Oh,
and
that's dangerous. It doesn't have any air. Okay, doggy is thirsty. Woof, woof, woof.
doggy.
Some water, please, for the doggy.
Okay, here's some water.
Here's some water for your doggy.
Let's spill it right.
Not spill it, just put it in front of him. Okay.
Let's get the bone out of its mouth. It's thirsty. Oh, it spilled it.
Oh, what did you do, doggy?
Oh, it wanted spilled. That's why. Because it wanted spilled so it can
Oh,
eat.
you want it like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And the elephant she's thirsty too.
Okay. Oh, it's all done. It's strawberries. Good. There we go. It's sucking up of its trunk.
Good job.
Oh, it's almost done.
Everybody full?
Yeah,
Good job, everybody.
it's done. Okay. Oh, the Chelsea's are thirsty. Well, good. I have some more water. Okay, and since you were nice, I'm gonna give you each Cheerios. Okay, one for you, elephant. Actually, the purple one. He's purple. One for you, one for you, and one for you.
Doggy.
Okay, they all have Cheerios.
Thank you.
Okay, you can put it in its basket right there, and they can hold the Cheerio right there.
That's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we have to go.
Yeah. Oh, the king elephant can carry it on its crown. Okay, let's put her up. Oh, it's actually her. Let's take your Cheerio, and then she can sit with her Cheerio.
She can put it on the crown too. The elephant can hold it for her.
Yeah. Okay, we're leaving.
Bye.
Bye. And now you girls, put that one there. Now she's gonna carry the puppy house, and and the puppy can stay up there.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.